Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's second part of Bitcoin update. Now, we are still on a journey to go down, and the story isn't over. I was just looking at Bitcoin, on a daily time frame. Today's Saturday, so no any expectation of big rally upside. Saturdays are really bloody. They're meant to be bloody historically. Now the thing is, I did see Bitcoin coming down to this support line, and it was trying to actually hold the support for a little bit, and then it lost that support. So let's go into the 4-hour time frame, and I can show you some people are actually saying that Bitcoin is holding support right now because there was an interaction here on the 4-hour time frame, interaction there as well, interaction here as well. And if I do zoom in into the current situation, we saw Bitcoin trying to hold that line, but unfortunately the pressure is so bad from the sellers, it couldn't really hold the line. So you see that dragonfly right over there, and we've already lost this one, right? So the trend line is pretty much lost. The technical target still remains to $18,000, even $17,800 is my pick. Now at the moment in the 4-hour time frame, we do have the bear flag once again. It's a continuation pattern, and you're breaking out of it. So the next technical target from there to there, we're still looking for Bitcoin to actually come down to nearly this price level, 18,799, right? So it doesn't really stop there. I do see Bitcoin perhaps making another bear flag in the making. It can drop to this price level, make another bear flag, and then drop again downside to nearly $18,000 and $17,800. And that's pretty much it for this second part of this. It's meant to be a quick one. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.